Hello, my name is Dr. Kevin Kirkley. I am the campus president here at Lincoln Tech in Union, New Jersey. Welcome. We offer 3 programs here in Union: automotive technology, air conditioning, refrigeration and heating technology, and electrical and electronic system technology. So welcome to our campus. Enjoy your tour.
Hi, I'm Michelle Suayan, Director of Education here at the Union campus. Our school offers 3 programs: automotive technology, air conditioning, refrigeration and heating technology, and electrical and electronic systems technology. Our school is accredited by ACCSC, the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges. I hope you enjoy the tour. Come by and see us sometime.
Hi, my name is Mr. Baton. I'm an instructor here at the Union campus for Lincoln Tech. Here in our automotive program, we basically teach you that car from bumper to bumper: transmissions, engines, electrical. We have a great partnership with Mazda, and we also have a race team here that our honor students get to participate in and race the car on weekends. Hope to see you here at Lincoln.
Hi, I'm Greg Payne, the supervisor for the Electrical Electronic System Technology program. Here at Lincoln Tech, the students learn the fundamentals of residential and commercial electrical, low voltage electronics, fire alarm systems, electrical controls, and system integration. I hope to see you here at Lincoln Tech.
Hi, my name is Rick Ruscigno. I'm the HVAC supervisor here at Union. This is the air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating technologies class. Here we teach all points of comfort, refrigeration, heating mechanical. What you see behind me is the students are performing an energy audit on a mock house where they go through and look for leakage rates and look for anomalies that are inside of the walls for insulation and so on. So when the students leave here, they're also capable of working in the refrigeration field. Hopefully I see you guys really soon. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rich Clark, Director of Admissions at Lincoln Tech Union, New Jersey. We'd like to welcome you here to our campus. In admissions, my job is to invite you to come see the school, see if it's a right fit, and talk about the opportunities in the skilled trades that we offer. We also have bus service for our South Jersey students and New York students as well. So we'd like to welcome you, come see it for yourself, and have a great day.
Hi, my name is Afia Roberts, Director of Career Services at Union Lincoln Tech. Our department is responsible for meeting with the students on the first day in and assisting them with their process with resumes, career pathing, and employment. Welcome to our campus.
Thank you for visiting with us today. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you need more information, please feel free to visit us at our website at lincolntech.edu.